Well, in general, there's several things that you need to look at, but in general, number one is know your neighbors in your neighborhood. Get to know them and when they're coming and going. So if you see a car in the neighborhood that's unusual, you can call in to law enforcement.
Yeah.
Invite the police in the neighborhood. It's really important for you to get to know your police officers and for them to get to know you. When you need them or something happens into your neighborhood, it's a lot better if you already know who's working in your neighborhood, who the police officers are, and they know you. Number three, use alarm system, video systems. As we was talking earlier about technology, everything's going to technology now. But one of the things about it, we've seen a lot of video systems and all that's set up. Always remember to cut your shrubbery and cut trees back. So if you have outside video, make sure you've got good lighting that picks up subjects that come around your house and may do crime. Use social media and spread the word of problems in your neighborhood. Get with your neighbors and get on Facebook and let them know of what's going on. But you have to be careful with that. My brother that lives in Samantha, I had to go in the hospital a couple of weeks ago, and my wife asked for prayers on Facebook for me. And my brother, the following week, he told me, he said, "What was you doing?" I said, "Well, she's asking prayers for me." He said, "You don't need to get on Facebook like that." Said, "Everybody in Samantha asked about you and how you're doing." Said, "They know you're gone away from your home." And that is a good idea. Don't put on Facebook where you're at, what you're doing, so people knows that no one's at home at your house. Start a neighborhood watch program. That's very, very important. A lot of the law enforcement, they will have these neighborhood watch programs that they set up. That's where a police officer comes out. You'll have a block captain that you'll get to know. The police will get to know. They know who works that area. And those have worked out real well. We started those programs back in the late 70s and early 80s, and they worked out real well.